DIRECTV's Gemini Air is one of the most popular products at solidsignal.com, and it's designed for self-installation. You know, everything that has self-installation, you find a lot of issues with different setups, and people don't know where to go to get those problems fixed. Well, depending on what you've got, it can be hard to find YouTube videos, and that's what this is about. This video is going to show you how to fix picture problems with your Gemini Air. The Gemini Air doesn't necessarily have more picture problems than other streaming devices. It's just not really well known. The reason that you might be having black screen issues or some other sort of sync issues is because the Gemini Air automatically installs itself onto 4K TVs in 4K mode. And that means the highest level of content protection. It means that you have to have the newest TV in order to make it work. And while that may seem like it works at first, sometimes it may stop working at some point. And that can be a problem. So let's go through the process of changing the resolution down to HD, because that does solve about 90% of the problems, maybe even more. You may not notice the difference between HD and 4K, especially on live streaming TV, which is all HD anyway. And you can always change the resolution back if you think that it's really not going to be a problem in the future. The hardest part can be just getting a picture on your screen. You know, if you're getting that black screen, if you're not getting any information, it can be hard to, get to that point where you're at the menus because you don't see what you're doing. So start by resetting the device. You can do this by pushing the reset button on the bottom of it. Just push it quickly and see if it comes back, even for a short period of time. And most of the time it will. You can try it on another TV. Even if you bring it to a friend's house temporarily, just connect it to another TV so you can do this setting and then bring it back where it's supposed to go.
With the Gemini Air powered on, press the Home button to go into the menu system. From there, you may need to press the left button to expand out the menus on the left. Arrow down to Settings and press OK. This is going to load up the Settings menu. Now just arrow down to System. From there, you can arrow over to Display and arrow over again to change the screen resolution. You're going to want to choose 1080i as your display resolution. This is the safest bet. Press OK, and you're going to see a pop-up showing you the resolution and giving you the opportunity to say yes. You do want to say yes, this is the resolution you want. From there, just keep pressing exit until you get back to live TV.
In a worst case scenario, you'll have to kind of factory reset it, which isn't that bad because you go through the setup process, the same setup process that you went through at the beginning, and then you'll change the resolution at that point. It really only takes about 10 minutes. And you won't lose any of your recordings. You will maybe lose certain preferences, favorites list if you've set those up. But again, that's not a big deal to put those back. So there you see, with this simple settings change, you're most likely going to have a lot better results with your television. Chances are you're not going to see a whole lot of difference between HD and 4K if you're watching live TV. And even honestly with streaming, the truth is the difference is barely noticeable unless you've got a 60-inch TV or higher. So check out this video and other tutorial videos on this channel, like and subscribe, and as always, shop at solidsignal.com for everything that you need to live your best digital life.